Hey guys, so today we're going over multiples and factors. So let's start with multiples. In mathematics, a multiple of a number is the result of multiplying that number and any other whole number. So the multiples of 6 from 6 to 42 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and 42. So multiples of 6, we could say, what is the third multiple of 6? And we would know it's 18 because 6 times 3 is 18. Next, let's look at factors. In mathematics, a factor is a number that divides another number evenly without leaving a remainder. So for 42, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, and 42 can go into 42. The factors of 42 can also be seen as numbers that multiply together to give us that number. So if we look at it, we could say 1 times 42 gives us 42. 2 times 21 gives us 42. 3 times 14 gives us 42. 6 times 7 gives us 42. Next, let's look at between. Between is like between burger buns. We don't really care about the buns. What we care about is what is inside it. So for the numbers between 5 and 10, let's take 5 and 10 and throw them away, because those are basically the buns. We don't care about them. So what we have left is 6, 7, 8, and 9. From 2, this includes both the starting point and the ending point. So from 5 to 10, we would have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, including those digits. Thanks for watching. Hope it helped. Bye.